Top 3 best foods that rebuild cartilage naturally and relieve joint pain fast. 3 powerful foods that support cartilage repair and help ease joint pain naturally. If your joints feel stiff, sore, or just don't move the way they used to, you're not alone. Maybe your knees complain when you stand up. Maybe your hips feel tight after sitting too long. Or maybe the mornings are the hardest part. That first step out of bed, the pause, the ache. For many people over 50, this slowly becomes normal, just part of aging, something you're told to accept. But here's some good news. Your body still has an incredible ability to heal when you give it the right support. Today, we're talking about 3 simple everyday foods. Not pills, not injections, no gimmicks, just real food. The kind your body recognizes, the kind that supports cartilage, reduces inflammation, and helps your joints feel stronger and more flexible over time. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about giving your body what it's been missing and letting it do what it was designed to do. So take a breath, get comfortable. And if joint pain has been slowing you down lately, stay with me for the next few minutes. This may be exactly what your joints have been waiting for. 1. Bone broth. All right, let's talk about one of the most powerful natural ways to help rebuild cartilage: bone broth. Yes, that warm, comforting drink your grandma probably swore by. Turns out she was right. Bone broth is like liquid gold for your joints, and today I want you to see how truly life-changing it can be if you're dealing with arthritis, joint pain, or cartilage wear and tear. Imagine this: every time you sip bone broth, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to repair from the inside out. We're talking collagen, gelatin, amino acids. The exact things your body uses to rebuild cartilage, cushion your joints, and ease that grinding, aching feeling arthritis can bring. Here's the key: cartilage doesn't have a direct blood supply like other tissues. That means once it's damaged, it doesn't heal easily. Your body needs all the support it can get to restore and maintain it. And this is where bone broth comes in like a superhero in a steaming mug. It's loaded with the nutrients your cartilage craves. Let's break down what makes bone broth so special. First up, collagen. When bones simmer for hours, especially when some connective tissue is still attached, they release collagen into the broth. Collagen is the protein that acts like the framework for your cartilage. It gives cartilage structure, elasticity, and strength. If your cartilage is breaking down, collagen helps support rebuilding it. Think of it like spackle for the cracks in your joints. Next, gelatin, which is basically cooked collagen. Gelatin helps your joints feel more cushioned and lubricated. It can reduce friction between bones and help movements feel smoother and more comfortable. You know, that wobbly jelly-like layer that forms when bone broth cools. That's the good stuff. Don't toss it. That's gelatin, pure joint-supporting gold. Now let's talk amino acids, especially glycine and proline. These are the building blocks your body needs to make collagen and repair joint tissue. Bone broth is packed with them, and as a bonus, these amino acids may help calm inflammation, which is a huge win if your joints are swollen, stiff, or tender. But there's more. Bone broth also contains glucosamine and chondroitin, 2 natural compounds found in healthy cartilage. They're the same ingredients you see in many joint supplements, except in bone broth. They come in a natural package your body can often absorb more easily, along with additional supportive nutrients. And don't forget the minerals. Bone broth provides calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium minerals that support not only your bones, but your overall joint and cartilage health. Stronger mineral support can help your joints stay more resilient and reduce the risk of further breakdown. Here's what makes bone broth even better. It's not only about repair, it's also about prevention. Drinking bone broth regularly may help slow cartilage loss over time and keep joints more supple and strong long term. It's not just a quick fix, it's a strategy, and making it is simpler than you think. You don't need to be a chef. All you need are bones, beef, chicken, turkey, even fish bones work, plus water, a splash of apple cider vinegar to help pull nutrients out, and herbs like thyme. Simmer low and slow for 12 to 24 hours. You can add garlic, onions, herbs, or even turmeric or ginger for extra anti-inflammatory support. Not into making it yourself. No problem. There are plenty of quality store-bought bone broths. Just look for options made from grass-fed or organic sources and avoid ones with strange additives. You want it as clean and natural as possible so your body can actually use it. Now you might be thinking, can drinking broth really make a difference? And I get it. It sounds almost too simple. But the truth is, our bodies are built to heal when we consistently give them the right fuel. People overlook the basics: real nutrient-dense food made with intention. Bone broth is one of the most underappreciated tools in natural wellness. I've seen people who could barely bend their knees or climb stairs without pain start moving more freely after adding bone broth to their daily routine. It's not a magic potion, but it is powerful. Give it a few weeks. Drink 1 cup daily. Let your body soak up the minerals, the amino acids, and the collagen. You might be surprised by how different your joints feel. So if you're tired of that stiff grinding sensation in your knees, if you're done waking up sore and struggling to get moving in the morning, try it. Warm up a cup of bone broth and drink it like you would your morning coffee. Make it a habit. Your cartilage, your joints, your whole body will thank you. Healing doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the most powerful changes come from the simplest things. Bone broth is simple, natural, and incredibly effective. Let it be part of your journey back to comfort, strength, and mobility. 2. Oily fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Let's dive into the second powerhouse food that can help rebuild cartilage: naturally oily fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, and even herring. Now I know not everyone loves fish, but stick with me, because what these little swimmers can do for your joints is genuinely impressive. Think of your joints like door hinges. Over time, if you don't take care of them, they get rusty, creaky, and painful. That's what cartilage breakdown can feel like. Oily fish is like premium oil for those hinges, helping them stay smoother, quieter, and more functional. The first big reason is omega-3 fatty acids. These are healthy fats your body needs, especially if you're dealing with inflammation or arthritis. The omega-3s in fatty fish, especially EPA and DHA, help reduce inflammation at the cellular level. They don't just cover up pain, they help calm the body's inflammatory response. And when inflammation drops, your cartilage gets a chance to recover instead of being constantly attacked. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Omega-3s don't only reduce inflammation, they may also help slow cartilage breakdown. Some research suggests that people who eat fatty fish regularly experience slower cartilage deterioration than those who don't. So if your cartilage is wearing thin, or you're starting to feel that bone-on-bone grinding sensation, omega-3s can be a real ally. But oily fish offers more than omega-3s. It's also rich in vitamin D, which matters a lot for bone and joint health. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, and when your bones are stronger, your joints get better support. On top of that, low vitamin D levels are often linked with more joint pain and may be associated with cartilage problems. If you're not getting much sunlight, oily fish is one of the best food-based ways to help fill that gap. And don't forget protein. Your body uses protein to build and repair just about everything: muscles, tissues, and yes, cartilage too. Fatty fish provides high-quality, easy-to-digest protein that supports the repair and rebuilding process. So you're not only calming inflammation, you're giving your joints the materials they need to regenerate. Now let me highlight two lesser-known nutrients found in fatty fish, especially salmon: selenium and astaxanthin. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect joints from oxidative damage. Astaxanthin is the pigment that gives salmon its pink color, and it's been studied for its anti-inflammatory, joint protective potential. Together, they act like extra armor for your joints. If adding fish to your diet feels overwhelming, it doesn't have to be complicated. Bake or grill salmon with a little olive oil and lemon. Toss sardines into a salad. Mash sardines on toast or mix them into pasta. Add mackerel to sandwiches or rice bowls. Simple, quick, and realistic. And if you truly can't stand the taste of fish, that's okay. In that case, a high-quality fish oil supplement can be a solid plan B. Just choose one from a reputable brand that tests for purity and heavy metals. Whole foods are ideal, but a supplement can still help. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Even 2 to 3 servings of oily fish per week can make a real difference over time. Think of each bite as fuel for healing. Food isn't just calories, it's instructions. It tells your body how to repair, how to reduce inflammation, and how to get stronger again. So whether it's a Sunday salmon dinner or a simple can of sardines with crackers, small steps add up fast. Your joints are worth it, and so are you. 3. Dark leafy greens: kale, spinach, collard greens. Now let's talk about a humble but powerful group of foods that can do wonders for your cartilage. Dark leafy greens. Kale, spinach, collard greens, Swiss chard. These are basically nature's multivitamins, and if you've been skipping them, this is the perfect time to bring them back into your life, especially if you're trying to protect or rebuild cartilage. So why are these greens so effective? Let's start with vitamin C. This nutrient is essential for collagen production, and collagen is a major building block of cartilage. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't produce or maintain healthy cartilage the way it should. The good news: even one serving of kale or spinach can deliver a strong boost of this joint-supporting nutrient. But that's only the beginning. Dark leafy greens are also packed with vitamin K, a nutrient people often overlook. Vitamin K supports bone and joint health by helping regulate calcium and supporting healthy inflammation response. Some research has found that low vitamin K levels are associated with more cartilage damage and joint problems, so getting more of it may help slow the wear and tear process over time. Then you've got calcium and magnesium, 2 minerals your bones and joints truly rely on. Strong bones help support healthy joints, and magnesium plays a major role in muscle relaxation and inflammation control. When magnesium is low, joints can feel stiffer, tighter, and more uncomfortable. And leafy greens go even further. They're loaded with antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene. These compounds help fight oxidative stress and free radical damage, 2 big drivers of cartilage breakdown. Think of antioxidants as your joints' bodyguards working around the clock to protect what you have and support healthier tissue over time. On top of that, leafy greens are naturally alkalizing, which can help balance the body's internal environment. A more balanced environment tends to be less inflammatory, and better for long-term joint health. Many foods linked to inflammation, like processed meats and added sugars, push the body in the opposite direction. Leafy greens help bring things back into balance. Now here's where a lot of people get stuck. They don't know how to make greens taste good. Don't worry, I've got you. Saute spinach with garlic and olive oil. Blend kale into a smoothie with banana and berries. Roast collard greens until they crisp up like chips. Toss greens into soups, stews, eggs, or stir-fries. They're incredibly versatile, and the more you eat them, the more your taste buds adjust. The real key is consistency. One salad won't rebuild cartilage overnight, but regular intake day after day, week after week can add up to meaningful support over time. Make greens a staple, not an afterthought. Bonus tip, pair your greens with healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, or nuts. These fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, E, and K found in those leafy greens. You're not just eating greens, you're unlocking their full potential. So when you think about rebuilding cartilage, don't overlook what's growing in the garden or sitting in your fridge. These vibrant greens are packed with what your joints need to thrive. They may look simple, but they're mighty, and every bite is a vote for your own healing. Summary. So there you have it, bone broth, oily fish, and dark leafy greens, 3 of the most powerful natural foods that can support cartilage health and bring real relief to your joints. These aren't just grocery items, they're tools for healing, simple, nourishing, and genuinely effective when you make them part of your routine. And remember, progress doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, your body can begin to repair, strengthen, and move with greater ease. Every cup of bone broth, every serving of salmon, every handful of greens, it all adds up. If this helped you or gave you hope, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who might need it too. And if you want more natural ways to take control of your joint health, subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got more healing tips, practical remedies, and encouragement coming your way. You're not stuck, you're healing. Take care of those amazing joints. You've got a life to live, and it's time to move through it with strength and comfort. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Senior Meal Coach for more science-backed tips to stay strong and independent after 60. Remember, this aging doesn't have to mean getting weaker. With the right daily habits, you can wake up every morning feeling stronger. The choice is yours. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.